Today, Grandma is the flower girl.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, dears. Enjoy the petals.
Love you, Grandma.
Today, Grandma is the flower girl. Thank you, everyone. Today, Grandma is the flower girl. Thank you, everyone. This is the best day. Ready to scatter the flowers, sweetie?
Yes, Grandma, let's do it.
You're doing great, my little bridesmaid.
I love you, Grandma.
Keep scattering them nicely, my little bridesmaid. The guests love it.
This is so fun, y'all.
You're doing beautifully, sweetie. Look at you, my precious little bridesmaid. You're making this the sweetest moment.
I love the setting of flowers with you.